Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. We will probably see an iPhone SE 3 come out at some point, and reports suggest it could arrive as soon as early 2022. Whenever it comes out, the iPhone SE 3 probably use a different name. Then again, a recent leak suggests it could all actually be called the iPhone SE plus 5G. The iPhone SE 2020 was one of the most exciting iPhones of 2020. It had excellent Apple hardware and software in a compact size and at a relatively low price. So how can Apple top that? There's an easy solution to that. Add some of the features from the flagships to the next mid-range iPhone SE. The iPhone 13 series launched with a few new extra features and tech, while the iPhone SE 3 wasn't announced alongside the next range of flagship iPhones. Perhaps the most exciting perks in those devices might trickle down to the mid-range iPhone SE line too. The iPhone SE 3, as the name suggests, the third gen model in the line, following the 2020 device and the original 2016 model. We thought the iPhone SE 3 might land at Apple's spring-loaded event in April 2021. After all, that would be a year after the iPhone SE 2020 launched, but it wasn't there. Nor did it appear at the iPhone 13 launch in September. We are not too surprised though. We have previously seen a couple of leaks and rumors suggesting that there wouldn't be an iPhone SE 3 in 2021, perhaps to give the iPhone 13 mini more time in the spotlight. But there may be one in 2020 at least, because it's also rumored that there won't be an iPhone 14 mini, meaning Apple might rely on the SE line for fans of smaller phones. At this point, several rumors point to a 2022 release, with sources suggesting the phone will land in the first half of the year. The biggest iPhone SE 3 leak so far has revealed a number of the possible specs. Apparently the phone will have an A15 Bionic chipset, the same as in the iPhone 13 range, and support 5G, with the same bezel-heavy design and 4.7-inch LCD screen, while another leak says it will also have 3GB of RAM like its predecessor. We have also previously heard that it might have a 4.7-inch LCD screen and 5G support. Well, that's all we have right now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.